A phobal the whole scholar, it gives me no pleasure to communicate to you in this context on a Friday afternoon. Due to the deteriorating circumstances nationally with regard to COVID-19, we have been advised by public health advice and by the Minister that all higher education institutions in the country should go to and apply the enhanced protection measures which have applied to the Dublin-based higher education institutions. This means that from next Monday, the 28th of September, and I'm reading directly from the advice here, essential on-site activities only should continue, including all research activities, lab-based and practical tuition, limited teaching such as small tutorials, but with a clear understanding that this should be in small groups only and with an absolute need to keep numbers on campus low and thus limit congregation risk on campus and in the community. This effectively means that teaching in a lab-based and practical tuition context will be on campus. All other teaching will be online. The library will also be open on a planned and regulated entry basis, again avoiding congregation risk. We've completed first year orientation consistent with the guidelines, and I'm very grateful to all our colleagues who and students who completed this work with such diligence and care. Very grateful to all our colleagues who I know have worked so hard in ensuring a safe return to campus. The Minister has acknowledged this work and has acknowledged the work being done by all higher education institutions to ensure a safe return, but is conscious of the broader spread of COVID-19 in the community as we are seeing in the data that's appearing. So in that context, we are therefore going to apply additional restrictions as outlined so that only essential on-site activities, as I have listed, will continue on campus next week. This is an evolving situation and we will keep you updated with regard to our activities in teaching, research and more generally on a regular basis. Please keep an eye out for COVID alerts in that context and communication more generally. NUI Galway is 175 years old this year. This is a particularly challenging year in the history of the university and for society more generally. We are very conscious of the health and safety of ourselves, our students and our staff, and of the community more generally, and we will continue, as we've always said, to adhere to public health advice in that regard. Míle maith as for níocht í go dtí seo, agus tá mé súil go mbeidh sibh féin agus bhór gólúdar slán sábháilte. We're very conscious and mindful that this is a really challenging time for the university community, students and staff. And I'd again like to record my appreciation for the work being done. Take care, stay safe, and I think most of all, be kind. Míle maith.